Hello, myself Shanwaz Ahmed Mir, Faculty of Diploma in Engineering. Today we will discuss our new topic that name is Plan Table Survey. First of all, we will learn about the objective of Plan Table Survey and the course outcome of Plan Table Survey. The main objective of Plan Table Survey is to understand the instrument which are used in Plan Table Survey and to also understand how field work is carried out with this instrument and how it is useful in engineering. In this topic we will also discuss about the plan table survey, what are the principles of plan table survey, instruments, setting up the plan table, method of plan table, advantages and disadvantages, and what are the sources of errors in plan table survey. First of all, what is plan table survey, why it is necessary in civil engineering, how it is used, in which method which are using plan table survey, what are the main advantages and disadvantages, what are the main principle of plan table survey. Let's start. Basically, plan table survey is a geographical method of survey in which the field observations and plotting are done simultaneously. It is a simple and cheaper than theodolite survey. It is most suitable for small scale map. The plan is drawn by the survey in the field while the area to be surveyed is before his eyes. Therefore, there is no possibility of omitting the necessary measurement. Plan table is also called as plan tabling method. In this method, the observations are recorded in the field book on the sheet which is fixed on the plan table, and map the area is obtained. This method is used for small mapping uh, of large area, which is the great accuracy is required in the consideration such as for the topographical survey. The main principle of the plan table survey are all the rays drawn through various details should pass through the survey station. The position of plan table at each station must be identical. At every station, the table must be oriented in the direction of magnetic north. This equipment essentially needed for the plan tabling is a plan table for drawing board which carries a drawing sheet and is mounted on the tripod stand and LED which provide the line of sight. This is the example of a principle of plan table survey. We have used a sheet and over its drawing and marking the station which is fixed on the ground, and also marks the some points which is shown in the figure. The main equipment and accessories which are used in plan table surveys are: the main equipment is plan table, tripod and LED. Accessories: rough compass, spirit level, U fork with plumb bob, waterproof cover, drawing paper, pins and drawing accessories. The first one is plan table. The drawing board for the plan table is made from well seasoned wood with its upper surface exactly plane. It is normally rectangular in shape with size 75 cm into 60 cm. This is the size of plan table board which we are used for drawing in plan table survey, and it is also mounted on a tripod. And clamps are provided to fix it any direction. The table can revolve about its vertical axis and can be clamped in any position when necessary. This is the example of plan table which is plan table board which is used for drawing in plan table survey. It is mounted on the tripod and fixed on a tripod in the ground with the help of clamps. This is the example how we fixed the plan table board and tribe on the surface of the ground for taking the measurement and recording the observations. Now the next instrument is tripod. What is tripod? Where it is used? Why it is used? Basically the tripod is used in plan table survey for mounted the or fixed the board on tripod. The tripod is generally of open frame type, combined rigidity with lightness. The tripod may be made to fold for convenience of transportation. It is provided with 3-foot screw and it is topped for leveling for the plan table survey. These are the tripods which is showing in this figure, and also fix the board on the surface of the tripod. Generally it is used in plan table survey for drawings and which we take the measurement during the in the field, and after the drawings are recorded on the sheet for drawing purpose. What is alley date? The alley date is used for establishing a line of sight. The alley date are of two types which are used: simple alley date and telescopic alley date. The simple alley date is showing in the figure. This is simple alley date which is used in plan tabling survey. Simple alley date is used for ordinary work. It is generally consists of a gun, metal or wooden rule with two vertical vein at the end. The eye vein is provided with a narrow slit with the object vein is open and carries a horsehair. Both the slits thus provided a definite light of sight which can be made to pass through the object to be sighted. And the telescopic alley date is used when it is required to take inclined sight. It is essential consists of small telescope with a level tube and graduated or mounted on horizontal axis. It gives higher accuracy and more range of sights. This is the main example of telescope alley date which is used in plan tabling survey for the sighting purpose. It is another type of telescope alley date which is used in plan table survey. It is also fixed with bubble tube, gun point, and also used for sighting the lines in plan table for making the higher accuracy drawing sheet for the measurement or any measurement which is used in plan table survey. In X-rays, it also consists of trough compass. What is trough compass? The trough compass is required for drawing the line showing magnetic meridian on the paper. It is used to orient the table to the magnetic meridian. When the freely suspended needle shows 0 degree at the end, a line is drawn on the drawing paper which represents the magnetic north. Basically, the trough compass is used for showing the directions. This is the example of trying trough compass. See in this figure of a trough compass, it shows the direction while we are taking the readings in plan table survey which is recorded on the drawing sheet. Next accessories which is used in plan table survey is spirit level. Spirit level is used for ascertaining if the table is properly level. So it is used for leveling purpose. The table is leveled by placing the level or the board in two position at right angle and getting the bubble central in both positions. This is the main example of spirit level which is used in plan table survey for leveling purpose. When we level our setup, we can check our instrument or our setup is fully level with the help of spirit level. Next is U-fork with plumbing bob. What is U-fork? U-fork with plumbing bob is used for centering the table over the point or station occupied by the plan table when the plotted position of that point is already on the sheet. It is also used in the beginning of the work for transferring the ground point on the sheet. This is the example of U-fork with plumb bob. See in this figure there are two instruments like plumbing bob which is used for the centering of a plan table survey. Next is waterproof cover. Waterproof cover means any protected things which is covered our drying sheet from sun or rain. Like in this figure, this is shown an umbrella is used to protect the drying paper from rain. In that is used in plan table survey to protect our drying. Next is drying paper. Drying paper is used for plotting the ground detail. When we take the reading, we can draw on we can draw the drying paper on the readings are taken with the help of plan table survey. We can we can drawing the measurement, we can drawing the reading in the sheet. Setting up the plane table. First point is fix the plane table on the tripod stand. First we have to fix the plane table on tripod stand. Then second is leveling the table. We have to level our table and then centering the table, then marking the north line. And the fifth last step is orientation. Orientations mean drying. Orientation by magnetic needle, orientation by back sighting. Advantages and disadvantages of plane table survey. Now we will discuss what are the advantages and disadvantages. The main advantages are the plan is drawn by the surveyor himself while the area to be surveyed is before his eyes. Therefore, there is no possibility of omitting the necessary measurement. Second point, the surveyor can compare the plotted work with the actual feature of the area. And the third point is it is the most rapid method which is used in plane table survey for drying. It is also simple and cheaper than theodolite. It is most suitable for small scale map. No great skill is required to produce a satisfactory map, and work may be interest to a subordinate. It is useful in magnetic area where compass may be used. The mistake in writing field books are to be eliminated. Now disadvantages. It is not intended for very accurate work. It is not suitable in rainy season like monsoon. It is essentially a tropical instrument. Due to heaviness, it is inconvenient to transport. Since there are so many accessories, there is a likelihood of them to be lost.